Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an RBC Bank customer, you're probably here because you want to keep your online banking account as secure as possible. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your RBC Bank online banking password in 2025. This process is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes, but it's super important for protecting your financial info from potential threats. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on a secure device and have your current login details handy. Open your web browser and head over to the official RBC Bank website. Once there, enter your username and current password to log in. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to complete that step as well. It's a great security feature. After logging in, look for the Profile or Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Security or Password Management section. This is where the magic happens. Now, select the option that says Change Password or something similar. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your current password. Once that's done, you'll see fields to create a new password. Remember, a strong password is key. Aim for at least 8 to 12 characters, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This makes it harder for hackers to guess. Type in your new password and then confirm it in the next field to ensure there are no typos. Hit the Save or Submit button, and voila, your password is updated. For extra peace of mind, log out and log back in with your new password to make sure everything works smoothly. And there you have it, folks. You've just secured your RBC online banking account with a fresh password. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check RBC's Help Center or contact their support team. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying proactive about your online security is always a smart move. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time.